Hi, I'm Daniel, Clinical Lead at Treated. Cerazette is probably the most well-known and popular brand of mini pill. It's a progesterone-only pill, or POP, so it doesn't contain any estrogen. And this means it's better than the combined pill for women who get migraines, are over 35, or who smoke. It's also good at making periods lighter, and some women who take it find their periods more or less stop altogether whilst they're taking it. It's just as effective as the combined pill, and if you take it exactly right, your chances of getting pregnant are very slim, less than 1%. It's also preferable to some other mini pills because there's a bit more leeway if you're taking it. It's best to take it at the same time every day of the month, without a break. But if you're up to 12 hours late when you do take it, it won't be any less effective. Clinically, it's the same pill as Cerazette and Ziletta, so if you've taken those before and they've worked well for you, Cerazette should work well too. You can get Cerazette online with us. We've helped thousands of women get the treatment they need, and you can ask our clinical experts anything you want, anytime you like.